Hello, my name is Christina Stone Kaiser. Today I am cooking from the Whole Bowls Cookbook written by a woman named Allison Day, who also runs a blog called theyummybeat.com. And today we're making something called spice root bowls. So just to give you a picture of it, there's some sweet potato coins that have been roasted. There's a millet salad. I'm actually using quinoa today with some chickpeas in it. There's also some scallions, some cilantro, and then a curry pecan sauce drizzled over the top, which she shows a larger amount of there. Now, I have a busy day tomorrow. So one of the reasons I started this vlog was to talk about how do you get it done? How do you put good meals on the table when you're busy? I won't be here most of the day tomorrow. So I am prepping a meal today that can be heated up and put in bowls tomorrow. So right now I have sweet potato coins roasting in the oven. They have 7 minutes left at 400. It's like, for my family, I'm making 6 large to cover a dinner and a lunch. At that 20-minute mark, I'm going to flip them, and they're going to get a little bit of 20 minutes, probably only 10 minutes on the other side, because our oven has a roasting function, which gets pretty hot. Here I have started a salad, and so I'm going to show it to you. So I prepped some of these things the day that I bought them. So there's 2 cans of chickpeas in there. That's a double batch. It's a cup of uncooked millet, but I have some red quinoa, and I'm making some white quinoa right now. It's got 6 minutes to go. So 4 scallions chopped. I chopped my scallions the day I bought them. A handful of craisins. It's like a 1/4 cup, so I just do a big handful, stick them in. I actually did 2 handfuls of scallions because I bought 3 bunches, chopped them all up for the week. And then I did 2 big bunches of cilantro. So I had cut up a bunch of cilantro. You could also use parsley. And so that just gets all put together. And because I'm going to store this for a day, when I'm done with it, I might spritz a little lemon juice over the top or a little water. Just something so that it stays moist as it waits a day. Then over here, I am ready to go to make my sauce. This is a blender sauce. It goes so fast. So I have 3 cups because I'm doing a quadruple batch of this sauce. I just know my family likes sauce. So you get that really hot, like boiling hot, and then you let it cool just a little bit. There's 2 cups of pecans in there, 3 tablespoons of curry, 4 garlic cloves, 4 tablespoons of maple syrup. Is that everything? Oh, 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. So all that is in there and ready to go. I turn on my blender. So I want this to get all the nuts to really get blended up. That is it, you guys. That is it for your sauce. So this is just going to go in a container that can be then dished out tomorrow. The same is true of this, and then the sweet potato coins. So in 3 minutes, I will let that cool a little bit before I stick it in so I don't overcook my quinoa, my scallions and my cilantro. I'll flip my sweet potato coins. I can actually show them to you, at least so you can see what they look like. They're a 1/2 inch rounds, peels on, with just a little bit of salt and oil sprinkled over the top. So it's a teaspoon of salt over all 6 of those, and a drizzle of oil that I then brushed over the top. So super simple. If you're going for a whole plant, you wouldn't use the oil. I just find that roasting vegetables makes more sense that way. So when you're in a hurry, I walked in. I'm in between meetings right now. I threw this together. It's going to go in the fridge, and it's ready for tomorrow. And what they will get is something that looks like Oh my gosh, right? You slaved over that. And it's not that you did it, but a little bit in batches goes a long way. So hopefully that is helpful for you, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.